Inside a Manhattan skyscraper, Raj Rajaratnam sits calmly at his desk. The market is crashing. Billions are evaporating by the minute. But Raj isn't panicking because he knows something nobody else does. On the other end of the phone, a voice whispers,
"Buffett's about to invest $5 billion into Goldman."
Within seconds, Raj places a massive trade, betting on Goldman Sachs stock before the world even knows what's coming. What Raj doesn't know is that the FBI is already listening. This is the story of how one of the richest men on Wall Street built an empire on secrets, and how it all came crashing down. Raj Rajaratnam's story starts far from Wall Street, in Sri Lanka, where he was born. After moving to the US and graduating from Wharton, Raj quickly climbed the ranks of finance, known for his sharp mind and aggressive bets. By 2008, he wasn't just another trader. He was the billionaire founder of Galleon Group, a hedge fund managing over $7 billion. But behind the closed doors of his office, Raj wasn't just making educated guesses. He was pulling strings nobody could see. Raj had built a secret network of corporate insiders, executives at IBM, Intel, and McKinsey, all feeding him confidential information. Names like Robert Moffat, Senior VP at IBM, Anil Kumar, McKinsey Director, Rajiv Goel, Intel, Rumi Khan, ex-Intel. They gave Raj everything: earnings reports, merger details, billion-dollar deals, all before they were public. His trades based on this info made over $60 million in profits, and nobody on Wall Street could figure out how he always seemed to know what was coming next. But the walls were closing in. By 2009, the FBI had launched a massive investigation, tapping Raj's phones and recording calls. And on one of those calls, they caught the biggest tip of all, from Rajat Gupta, a former Goldman Sachs board member and one of Raj's closest friends. Gupta told Raj Buffett was about to invest $5 billion in Goldman Sachs, a deal that would save the bank from collapse. Raj immediately placed a trade worth millions before anyone else knew what was coming. But what Raj didn't realize is that this trade would become the final piece of evidence to take him down. When the FBI finally arrested Raj in 2009, they made him an offer. Wear a wire, help us catch the others, and we'll reduce your sentence. But Raj refused. Even as his friends, the same ones who fed him information, started flipping on him, Raj never agreed to cooperate. And in 2011, he was convicted on all 14 counts of securities fraud and conspiracy. His sentence, 11 years in prison, $150 million in fines. Rajat Gupta was also arrested, sentenced to 3 years and fined $5 million. After serving 7.5 years, Raj was released in 2019. But he didn't just disappear. In 2021, he released a book called Uneven Justice, arguing that he was unfairly targeted because of his wealth and background. And while he's banned from managing other people's money, Raj is still trading for himself, focusing on cryptos and tech stocks. He's also donated millions to causes in Sri Lanka, trying to rebuild his image and give back to the country where it all started. Raj's story is one of power, greed, and loyalty. A man who rose from nothing to become a billionaire, only to lose it all because of the secrets he kept. Even when faced with prison, he refused to betray his friends, a decision that cost him everything. But the question still stands. Was Raj a criminal who deserved to be taken down, or a scapegoat, punished because of who he was? And if you want more stories like this, about money, power, and the real world of Wall Street, hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.